Hey, this is Shep and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. We are on the highway with our 1950 Packard. We got a pretty good uphill going here, but we just want to show you the road test of this vehicle. It was just, we just did the full walk around last time. Well, pretty quickly we're up at 55, here's 60 going uphill. Smooth, not labored. Going 65. We'll give this Jag a run for its money. That's 70 right there. She's not holding back. She's not holding back. So capable of 70. I would say its ideal cruising is more around 60. But the engine doesn't seem labored at all. Cruising along at modern highway speeds. Freeway speeds would probably be a bit much. Let's listen to the engine here for a bit. It does have a little pull on the wheel. So maybe alignment is in order. So if I let go, we're going to drift to the right. I always just have the hand on the wheel, so didn't really notice that before. But I could use a little alignment just to straighten it off with your hands off the wheel. But otherwise, tracks out really nice even at these speeds. So certainly that flat 8 is in fine running condition.
Barn works.
Yeah. So Shep and Nick here. If you want more of an experience with this, I recommend coming into Sun Valley, driving it, buying it, or we can ship anywhere all around the world. So Shep here, 208-721-1973.
Or you can reach out to Nick at 563-676-8225. Thanks for watching.